Let me show you how to use Glarity to summarize and translate the contents of a PDF. Step 1. Find Glarity in the Chrome store and add it. Step 2. Go into Glarity's settings and choose the language you need. Step 3. Pin it to your extension bar. Step 4. Open the PDF that you need to summarize and translate on a web page, then click the Glarity icon in the top right corner. Once you're in this interface, click on Summarize PDF and you'll get a summary of the content. Additionally, it will provide other extended questions for you to think about.